Hello viewers, welcome back to the Moose Mobile Auto Repair channel, and today we're working on a 2019 Honda Civic with the 2-liter engine. This one is the K20C2 engine, and we are just going to be replacing the PCV valve. Now there's no specific replacement interval on this PCV valve, but I try to recommend it at the same time when you are replacing the spark plugs. In one of my previous videos, I replaced the spark plugs, and because I did not have this part on hand at that time, I was not able to replace it. So now I just got this from the Honda dealership because this part had to be ordered. So now PCV stands for positive crankcase ventilation. So this helps reduce and eliminates blow-by gases in the engine, in the crankcase. Helps to prevent and eliminate excess pressure in the crankcase. So this is what the PCV valve takes care of. The blow-by gases are rerouted back into the intake system to be reburnt and also to reduce emissions. So we are going to get started now. So the PCV valve is located here. It's just on the driver's side of the engine. So it's very easily accessible. So the part number for this one is 17130-5A2A01. This is a Honda part. I got it from the Honda dealership. So you want to make sure that you get the Honda part. Do not use an aftermarket part because there are sometimes aftermarket parts can have different flow characteristics for the PCV. So there are sometimes that they can flow too much or too little, and so there are sometimes they can cause problems and possibly to set a code and trip the check engine light. So it's imperative to make sure that you get the factory part from the dealership. So the only tools that you will be needing is just a 1/4-inch ratchet and a 10mm socket. You can use a deep socket or a shallow one. It doesn't really matter. So you just need to loosen up the bolt. It's very windy today, so it's a little bit hard to film today. So take out the bolt after you have loosened it up. And this, you just need to wiggle the PCV valve back and forth, and you should be able to get it out. Do not apply too much force on this. You just need to wiggle it and gently to push out. Now there is something in the way here, so I'm just trying to see if I can get this out without taking anything out. So you just need to angle it up on an angle to get it out. The connector is kind of in the way, but you're still able to get it out, so you shouldn't have a problem. So here's the old one. Now I don't think you guys will be able to hear it. For the new and the old one, you can try to shake it and see if it rattles. If you listen carefully, you can hear it rattle a tiny bit, but it's not as obvious as the other style PCV valves on other vehicles. This one is a little bit different. So it's not always the case, but if the PCV valve rattles, then usually it means it's good, but it's not always the case. Now, because that this part is not too expensive, it's relatively cheap. You just replace them as a maintenance item unless you're having an issue with it. So before you install this, just make sure you put a tiny bit of 020 engine oil on the two O-rings. You need to make sure they are lubricated properly with oil on the new part, and then just reinstall it after that. Just place it on an angle just like that and reinstall it. You should be able to hear it to click into place after it's in all the way. And if you want, you can put a little bit of dielectric grease or anti-seize or something to prevent any rust from forming on the bolt. You can put a little bit of dielectric grease or something, or anti-seize, or some engine oil if you want, to prevent any rust on the bolt. So just reinstall the 10 millimeter bolt. It goes on only one way, so there isn't anything to worry about regarding the direction or the orientation. Just make sure it's straight and you should be okay. I will post the torque specifications on the screen somewhere. If you don't have a torque wrench, you can just tighten this up snug and you should be okay. This is a plastic, so you don't need to tighten it up all that much. So that's it. I'm just going to spray some brake cleaner to clean the area, and you should be all good to go. So the torque spec for this is only 7 foot-pounds. I believe it's just as tight as the ignition coil bolts for when you're doing the spark plug. So this bolt is not on very tight. So you just need to just a little bit snug, and then you're good. You don't need to crank it up or anything. So the PCV valve is all done. This one here is just the old one. So just make sure that you verify the repair. Make sure that bolt is tight and good, and just go for a road test just to make sure that everything is okay, and then that's it. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, and please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already a subscriber, and please don't forget to hit that bell notification. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day and take care.